Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you about references menu in Microsoft Word, especially on how to create table of content. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document in Microsoft Word, and first of all, I'm going to go to the references menu. Okay, and this is how the references menu looks like. And basically, you can use this menu to create table of contents and then footnote and citation, caption. You'll be able to create table of figures automatically. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create table of content. Okay, and this is my document guys. I'm going to create table of contents for this document. If we want to create table of contents, we can select this option and then you can choose the style. I'm just going to select the automatic table 1. Okay, and I'm just going to click on OK, and then we're going to start to apply heading. For the heading 1, I'm going to add chapter. This one guys. We just need to go back to the home. You can select the chapter like this and go to styles, and then you can apply heading 1 like this, and you can modify the heading. If you don't like the style, you can right click on it and then select modify, and I'm going to change the color to black and also the font. Okay, and I'm going to change the font size and click on OK. Okay, now the heading has been changed, and then for the heading 2, I'm going to add subchapter. This one, I'm going to select that, go to the styles, and I'm going to apply heading 2, and I'm going to modify it as well. I'm going to change the color to black, and then Times New Roman, and 12 for the font. Click on OK. Alright, and then I'm going to apply the bold as well, but wait, I'm going to modify it again guys. I'm going to apply bold. Okay, and now heading 1 and heading 2 have been applied guys, and it's time to update the table. You just need to click on update table, and this is how it looks. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create table of content using references menu in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.